Welcome back to UnStockable Trading. In this video, I'll be explaining what happened with the market today and what's my outlook for the rest of the week. And there are three signals I see as a bearish signals, but it's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. So today we had a huge rally up to the upside because Powell hinted that they might not have a rate hike in December. So the market likes it. And we've been on a downtrend for a long time, so today was not that unexpected. However, we passed the 2680 level like it was never there before, and then we just shot all the way back up, almost touching the 200 days moving average. But before that, we have a resistance at 2750. So I'm thinking we are going to touch the 2750 very soon, and then reject. If we pass the 200 days moving average, then this is gonna be a bullish signal to me. And think about one more thing: the expected move for the SPX this whole week is only $62. What happened today? We ran up $61. What happened on Monday? We ran up $40. On Tuesday, $8. So total, we had about $110. In just 3 trading days, $110 to the upside for the SPX. But the expected move is only $62. In the market history, we tend to trade within the expected move. Again, the G20 summit meeting is this weekend, and Trump is a very unpredictable person, so anything can happen with the markets. I am thinking that we are going to have some sell-off activity towards Thursday afternoon and Friday. Why is that? First of all, we ran up too much today. Second of all, people don't want to hold over the weekend because the G20 summit meeting. So the third signal, bearish, I see is our VIX. VIX only down 2% of this huge market rally to the upside. Isn't that kind of suspicious to you? So VIX tracks the volatility, and today market is stable, just on the way up, but the VIX only responded by going down 2.79%. So think about that. And then if you look at TVIX, another bearish ETF on the SPY, on the SP 500, we only down 2.5% on the TVIX. So with this massive run up to the upside, our TVIX only down not even 3%. Not like I'm a bearish person or anything, but this is another signal. I see people are not buying on the the tech sector that much. The volume I'm buying today was kind of low. If you look at our SPY, the volume today is pretty low compared to before. So I am very skeptical of this bull run for today. Let's take a look at our daily breakdown on the SPY. Today, SPY, we are in the 0.382 area, and we are most likely to stay within the 0.382, and then we're gonna test the 0.5 area at the 200 days moving average. We're gonna test that, and I'm thinking we're gonna reject it. And then every time we have a huge massive upside, we are gonna come back down 50% of the time. So look at this, we have a huge downside, we came back up 50% of the time. And then here, came back down, and it came back up 50% of the time. So with this candle right here, this huge candle, it's going to come back down to 272 or 271. If you're making money on the calls, block your profit, just to be safe. Let's take a look at Amazon. For Amazon, congrats to those people who got a call on on Amazon. I'd say yesterday, Amazon ran up about 100 points today. So Amazon just shy of my resistance level I drew right here, which is 1671. Oh wait, 16. Oh, we passed that. 1671 or 78. So with the Amazon, it's going to retest the 200 days moving average, and then I do believe Amazon is going to hit 1720 by tomorrow or later today, later tomorrow, and then it's gonna come down because we are hitting the previous resistance right here. So every time we hit a resistance, most likely it's gonna retest and come back down and retest again. So in the short run, if you are in the money with Amazon calls, lock your profit before they go away. And then let's take a look at Apple. Apple, we are expecting Apple to hit 185. Today was a massive run on Apple. I think $5 today. Apple has been beating down a lot, so with this type of the market movements, Apple might hit 185 in the short time. I don't think it's going to be at the $200 level. That'll be decided after G20 meeting. So just be careful, Apple. If you have calls with Apple, lock your profit, man. Lock your profit. This type of market run doesn't happen every day. And last one, we're looking at Nvidia. I still have a very bearish sentiment on Nvidia. Why? With this huge market run up, this little green candle tells me no one is really bought into Nvidia. So just be careful on Nvidia. Nvidia is going to trade within this trend line area right here. Yes, there's a gap to be filled, but I don't think we're gonna hit that anytime sooner, because with this 4 days little green signals doesn't tell me a lot of stories. Most likely Nvidia is gonna come back down to 145 area. Just be careful with Nvidia. That's the video for today. Stay green, guys. Lock your profit, and I'll see you tomorrow.